Alright, so in 5 minutes I want to show you how to download my study guide. So I made a study guide for studying for the HM Corpsman exam, and it uses the application called Anki, which is basically a smart flashcard system. So in this video I want to show you how you can download my study guide and start using it immediately. So first thing we're going to do, we need to make you an Anki account. So if you don't have an account, you have to make one. It's 100% free. Only thing you need is an email and a password. You're good to go. So this is the website. This is what it looks like. apps.ankiweb.net. And so once you make your account, you're just going to scroll down. And so I use PC, so I'm just going to click on this icon right here. It's going to let me download the application for my computer. It's completely free. And so you got Windows, Mac, whatever you use, sit here and just click this. And then the download's going to start. Then you're just going to open this folder. And you're just going to double click it, and it's going to start downloading the application for your desktop. And then once you create an account, once you download Anki for your computer, then you're going to go here to Anki Web. Click it, and it's going to ask you to log in, and that's just your login, my email, my password, login. And if you're new, you're not going to have anything in this space. It's just should just be empty. And then you're going to go to get shared decks, and then you're going to click this. Then you're just going to type in the name of my study guide, which is HM Advancement. I did not spell that right. It should be the only one here. HM Advancement. I'm going to click it. This is how you know it's mine. Just read the description. And then you're going to scroll all the way down to download. Click it. And it's going to download my entire study guide. So since you made an account, you have the application on your computer. Once this gets done downloading, we're going to open it up, and it should just take you straight into the application. So the folder, I'm going to click that, and you can see I already have the application open. So it's going to take you to this one right here, and then you can hit that, and then you're just going to hit import. And after you hit import, it's going to have my study guide right here. And it should look just like this. HM Advancement. It should be new 20. It should be blue. And that's it. Once you have that, you can begin studying. And it really is that simple. So if you go all the way back to my desktop, this is what the application looks like for your desktop. You just click it, and it takes you to the page right here. Right. Super straightforward, super easy. If you have any questions, have any problems, email me, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks.